Hi everyone, welcome back to Wellthebex. If you're struggling with acne and breakouts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be sharing some simple and powerful home remedies that can help you achieve clear and healthy skin naturally. These remedies use ingredients that are gentle, effective, and easy to find at home. Why do we get acne? Acne happens when our skin's pores get clogged with oil, dirt, or bacteria. This can lead to pimples, blackheads, and breakouts. Other causes include hormonal changes, stress, diet, and improper skincare. But don't worry, there are natural ways to manage and prevent acne without using harsh chemicals. Home remedies for clear skin. 1. Honey and cinnamon mask. Honey has antibacterial properties, and cinnamon helps reduce inflammation. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Apply it to your face, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. This mask helps fight acne-causing bacteria and soothes irritated skin. 2. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is known for its soothing and healing properties. It helps reduce redness and speeds up the healing of acne scars. Simply apply fresh aloe vera gel to the affected areas and leave it on overnight. Rinse in the morning for soft, hydrated skin. 3. Turmeric and yogurt face pack. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties that help calm breakouts. Mix half a teaspoon of turmeric with 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Apply it to your skin. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then rinse. This pack brightens the skin and prevents future breakouts. 4. Tea tree oil spot treatment. Tea tree oil is a natural antiseptic that helps dry out pimples and prevent infections. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil with a teaspoon of coconut or jojoba oil. Dab it onto the affected areas using a cotton swab. Use this only at night to avoid skin irritation. 5. Green tea toner. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that fight acne and reduce oil production. Brew a cup of green tea, let it cool, and use it as a natural toner by applying it to your face with a cotton pad. This helps keep your skin fresh and oil-free. Additional tips to prevent acne: drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated. Wash your face twice daily with a gentle cleanser. Avoid touching your face to prevent bacteria from spreading. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Change your pillowcases regularly to keep bacteria away. Final thoughts. These home remedies are simple yet effective in keeping your skin clear and healthy. Remember, consistency is key. Try these natural treatments and let me know your results in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare and wellness tips. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.